What is the res judicata effect of a class action judgment? The United States Supreme Court considered that question in Cooper v. Federal Reserve Bank of Richmond. The Equal Employment Opportunity Commission sued the Federal Reserve Bank of Richmond pursuant to Title VII of the 1964 Civil Rights Act. The commission alleged that the bank's Charlotte, North Carolina branch had a policy and practice of discriminating against African American employees. Sylvia Cooper and three others, whom we'll call the intervening plaintiffs, sought to intervene, alleging that the branch's practices also violated Title 42 of the United States Code, Section 1981, that the branch had discriminated against each intervening plaintiff based on race, and that the intervening plaintiffs could represent a class of African American employees who'd suffered racial discrimination. The district court granted class certification, with the intervening plaintiffs serving as class representatives. Phyllis Baxter and five other individuals, known collectively as the Baxter plaintiffs, all members of the class, received notification of the class action and didn't exclude themselves from the class. After a trial, the district court found that the branch had engaged in a pattern of racial discrimination, but only as to a group of employees in pay grades 4 and 5. Only one of the Baxter plaintiffs fell within those pay grades. But beyond employees in those pay grades, the plaintiffs hadn't proven that the branch engaged in a pattern and practice of discrimination. The remaining Baxter plaintiffs filed a separate action against the bank, alleging that each of them had been discriminated against due to race in violation of Section 1981. The bank moved to dismiss, arguing that the class action judgment precluded their claim. The district court denied the bank's motion, but the Fourth Circuit reversed, concluding that res judicata meant that the class action judgment precluded the Baxter plaintiffs from filing individual discrimination claims. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.